welcome to Miss North's Geography Shorts, and today we will be looking into the greenhouse effect. So here we have our Earth spinning on its axis, and around the blanket around it is our atmosphere, which includes our greenhouse gases such as CO2, nitrous oxide and methane. Black represents space. So the greenhouse effect, so heat from the sun passes through as shortwave radiation. Our Earth absorbs some of this heat, but some is reflected as long-wave radiation. The greenhouse gases, our CO2, nitrous oxide and methane, absorb some of this heat and reflect this back towards our Earth, but some of the radiation escapes into space. So we need this heat. The greenhouse effect keeps the Earth warm. Without this blanket, it would be far too cold for us or for life to even exist. So just like a greenhouse in a garden keeps a warm temperature to grow plants, the greenhouse gases act in a similar way. The problem arises when more of these gases are released into the atmosphere. So this is the enhanced greenhouse effect. And this is us humans, we're causing the trouble. So a few things like burning fossil fuels for power, car exhaust, farming, deforestation are causing more greenhouse gases into our atmosphere. And this causes problems. The Earth is too warm, it's heating up too much. A few things that are happening, the ice caps are melting, so sea levels are rising. It's endangering our animals like the polar bears, and there's more extreme weather. So we all need to work together to slow this warming down. So as the sun gives solar radiation, some of the heat is reflected, but because there is more CO2, methane, nitrous oxide, more of this is being absorbed, so less is escaping into space. So I think this is really cool, we can look at our own carbon footprint, we can calculate this. So our carbon footprint is the amount of greenhouse gases that are generated by our actions. So if you type into Google carbon footprint calculator, it's on the WWF website, and you can calculate your carbon footprint, and it gives you ideas how to reduce this as well. So if we all take some small actions, it has to help. What I'm doing, because I did calculate mine, what I'm doing is trying to be veggie for a day, so eat less meat, having one veggie day a week. To see what that tabs. I'm going to calculate my carbon footprint again in a few months to see how much that's gone down. So tasks from today, what you can do. Try to recreate this diagram, you can draw it yourself, adding in the annotations, the labels, see what you can remember. Remember, you can always pause, rewind, go over parts that you're not sure of, so you can have a diagram for yourself to help revise. And also calculate your carbon footprint, see what action you can take. Remember, every small step will help. Thanks for watching.